How to add Hotspot button in Control Center on iPhone. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add Hotspot button on your Control Center. Firstly, open Settings on your device and go to the option General. Go to Software Update and make sure that you are using iOS 18. Now go back to your home page and roll down your notification bar. In your notification, you will see an interface like this. To add a new control, tap on the small plus icon at the top left corner. When you do that, then this kind of interface will open. Tap on Add a control at the bottom. Now search for the control that you want to add. Right now we are adding Personal Hotspot, so simply search for it. To add the button, simply click on it. When you do that, then the button will appear right here. You can increase the size by simply dragging it. Also, you can adjust the placement of the button. Tap and hold on it. After that, drag it to change position. Now you don't need to save this as the changes will be saved automatically. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.